Morning everyone, Mr. Alden here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. Yes, our first Golden Ticket Assembly of the year. And as you can see, it is Friday the 8th of September 2023. We celebrate all those children in years 3, 4, 5 and 6 who've earned themselves a Golden Ticket their very first week back. And what an amazing first week back it has been. Thank you everyone. It's been phenomenal seeing you all in your new uniforms, your new shoes, new haircuts. Absolutely brilliant. And actually for some of you, new attitudes, really working hard in your new classes and your new year groups. So we're going to kick off this morning in year 3. And Mr. Starling and Mrs. George says this child has started year 3 with a positive attitude where they want to impress their new teacher. Amazing. Always first to be ready, first to be quiet, hand up to answer, and always doing as much work as possible. Amazing. This child has made an outstanding start to year 3 and has impressed everyone. What an amazing beginning to the year. We can't wait to see all that this pupil can achieve right the way through year 3. Golden ticket goes on then. Annie, in he comes. Well done, Annie. What an amazing start. You've won the first golden ticket of the year. Really well done. Enjoy taking this home. Really well deserved, and just keep it up. You superstar. Well done. On to Miss Begum says this child has had a fantastic start to the new term. They're the first to be ready for their learning and have completed their work to the best of their ability. They're a positive role model to the other children, which is fantastic, in class, and all the adults have been so impressed with their work. Really well done. Well done for completing the summer reading challenge too. Lots of you for completing the summer reading challenge, which is fantastic. Golden ticket, Miss Begum, goes to none other than Willow. There she is. Look at that. Look at the amazing work as well, Willow. Yes, you've done it, Willow. The first golden ticket of year 3. You superstar. Really well done. Very proud of you. And fantastic start to year 3. Super. Keep it up. On to year 4. And Miss White says choosing just one winner this week has been very hard. So many children have made a wonderful first impression and have tried their best every day. It's exactly as I said right at the beginning of assembly. It's been a fantastic beginning to year 4. We've been looking out for good listening, careful working and a positive attitude. Our winner has shown us these qualities in everything they do and in abundance. They have also shown that they are kind, helpful, friendly and work very hard. They really do. We are sure they will continue to impress us this term. I know they will. Well done to none other than, come on in, Caden. There he is. Well done, Caden. First golden ticket of year 4, you absolute superstar. Really well done. Really well deserved as well. And well done for completing the summer reading challenge. You superstar. Well done. On to Miss Arthurton. Miss Arthurton says, everyone in 4SA has had an amazing start to year 4, but I can only pick one golden ticket winner. You know that. This child has impressed us with their impeccable attitude to learning. They've worked hard in every lesson. The concentration this child shows is incredible. Their behaviour is remarkable and they have shown us how kind and helpful they are. Always there to lend a hand and support whenever they can. I'm sure this is only the first of many golden tickets you will receive this year. I agree. You should be very proud of yourself. You are a little superstar. You certainly are. What a great impression. Golden ticket goes to Scarlett. Well done. Look at that beautiful smile. Scarlett, yes. Really well done. I know George is going to be really proud of you as well. So well done. Enjoy taking this home with you today, you little superstar. Keep it up. On to year 5, and Miss Percy says golden ticket 6JP, 5JP is awarded to someone who could not have made a better impression during their first week of year 5. This person hardworking, patient, supportive of their peers, polite and determined. They have approached every lesson we have done this week with enthusiasm and produced work to their highest standard. I know that they're going to have an excellent year. Keep up the amazing work. Indeed. Amazing work. None other than, come on in, Olivia. Well done, Olivia. There at the library, on the library trip. Really well done. Enjoy taking it on. You've won the first golden ticket of year 5. And I'm sure you'll get a few more as well, as you did last year. So really well done. Just keep up the amazing work. Enjoy taking this home today. You superstar. Well done. On to Miss Barrett says, this child has a fantastic start to year 5. They've come in every day this week with a smile on their face, showing us they're ready to learn. In the classroom, they contribute well to putting their hand up and sharing their ideas with others. They set a fantastic example of how mile-cross pupils should behave. They certainly do. I'm delighted to have them in the class this year, and I know they will keep up the brilliant work all the way through year 5. They certainly will. Golden ticket goes to Daria. There she is. Look at that again. Beautiful smile. What a star above it. She should be. You are a star, Daria. You've won the first golden ticket of year 5. Really well done. Enjoy taking this home today, you superstar. Well done. Keep it up. On to year 6, Mr. Davison. The first golden ticket in 6RD has been hotly contested, and this will undoubtedly continue all year. It really will. Like many, this child has settled into Year 6 magnificently, showing enthusiasm, embracing challenges, and demonstrating the model behaviour expected the eldest members of the school. It really is. They've produced wonderful persuasive cold writes in English and showed great understanding of the heart's function. They certainly have. Not only that, this child completed the Summer Reading Challenge and filled in their reading record daily. A brilliant start indeed. Congratulations to none other than... Come on in, Marshall, and look at the work. Marshall! Yes, well done. Look at that writing, and look at that. What a label diagram of the heart. You absolute superstar. You've won the first golden ticket of Year 6. What a start. Marshall, you couldn't have had a better week. Really well done. I'm so proud of you. Enjoy taking this home today, superstar. Well done. And finally this morning, we'll go on to Miss Musselwhite says, what an amazing start back for all Year 6. There it is, sums it up. So much so it was hard to choose just one golden ticket winner this week. However, I've chosen someone who stands out for the impressive work they've been producing. They come back after the holidays with a filled-in reading record, and this is noticeably having an impact on the standard of work that they're handed in this week. Amazing. They've also got involved during lessons and given thoughtful answers, which they weren't always that keen to do last year. And they've really made an incredible start to Year 6, and I look forward to seeing the progress they make if they keep this up. Brilliant. Well done to the first golden ticket winner of Year 6, to none other than, in come, there he is, Caius. Look at that, Caius. Yes, what a week. And look at this work. Just this week, phenomenal. As I said right at the beginning of the assembly, you've all worked so hard. Caius, you've just won the golden ticket, the first of Year 6, so really well done. Enjoy taking the time today, you superstar. Well done. What a fantastic start from everyone. Absolutely, right the way through Year 3, through to Year 6. You've all had a brilliant start. Thank you all so much for working so hard. Just keep it up through the next few weeks. And thank you to all the parents for getting all the children ready. I know it's quite tiring getting right back into it, but thank you so much for all of your support throughout as well. It's been phenomenal. I'm just going to leave you finally with a message about this weekend. Obviously, it is going to be ferociously hot this on Saturday and Sunday, and we want you all to stay safe, please. As you can see, slip, slop, slap, seek and slide. We've been saying that all week to the children. You will know that as well. Please drink lots and lots of water as well. We want you to keep safe. We want to have lots of fun in the sun as well, but please do that. We want everyone coming back on Monday without all sunburn, and we're all safe as well. So please enjoy the weekend, stay safe, and until Monday, bye-bye now.